Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast the switcher is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. We just can unlock the device less than in half of the seconds. This is the really good result. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now I'll wear them and we'll see that it works. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So that's also works correct. Now I just successfully unlock our smartphone. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.